guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to play gospel, praise and worship songs on keyboard. So I'm going to be doing this on key of F. I'm going to use a popular song, You Are the Mighty God, for this very tutorial. Let me play it, then I'll break it down further. For the worship first, then I'll do the praise. So I just use a very simple song that has the do, the fa, the sol in it. Just play it and sound like a pro, even as a beginner. You understand? So I'm doing this on the key of F. That's your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. For general understanding, because most people play the key of F. Understand? So first off, the progression of this very song is your do, your fa, your sol, back to your do, which is you are a man, do, your fa, yeah. Hallelujah. Your normal pattern, your one. Hope you're getting it. So see how I played it. I'm using my do, sol, do, re, mi, sol. That's the second inversion on your F. I hope you guys know about inversion. On your left, you hold your do, sol, do. Hope you got it. So you are a mighty God. I'm just playing around the notes. So this is the chord. I'll just be doing something like a finger. You are mighty. Something like you are mighty. See what I was just doing. Well, you are mighty. See? Hope I'm not too fast. Left, just your do, sol, do. You're mighty. You're the great I am. But before your fa, you use your to as a passing code, or your mi as a passing code to your fa. Something like this. You are a mighty God. The great. See what I play here? Sol, la, to. Sol, la, to. Understand? You are the mighty, slowly, the great. On your left, you now play your fa, la, fa. See? Again from the beginning. You are the mighty God, the great I am. Hallelujah, your song, your normal song, your song. Sorry, so then your T, sorry, so your T, your re, and your so. Hope you got it. You are the mighty God, the great I am. Hallelujah, hallelujah. See, that's just it. Come back to your do. Hope this was easy. I'm just breaking it down for anybody to get it. So if you want to use your me as a passing chord, see it here. You are a mighty God. See? On your left, you play your me to me. On your right, you play your so to me. See? You are the mighty God. The great I am. Hallelujah. Again, see what I did here? I used re as a passing chord to my saw on my left for the final one. So let's do it from the beginning again. You are the mighty God. Then your passing chord, your mi, your fa, then your re, your saw. Hallelujah. Hope this was easy. So let me do for the praise. Same song. Same song for the praise. This is your first inversion. Same progression, your do, your fa, your so, your do. As your 1, your 4, your 5, back to your 1. You are there. So this is your mi, so, do. You are the man. Do, your do, mi, so, do, mi. Hope I'm not too fast. You are the mighty God. You can do. Oh no. Do, mi, so, do, mi. You are the man. See, same passing chord you use for your worship, you can use it for your praise. You are the man. Hope I'm not too fast. You are the man. For your fa you do. Your fa, la, do, fa, re. Fa, la, do, fa, re. Fa, la, do, fa, re. You are the. So you can just do your song. You do your so, re, so, ti, do. So it's very simple. This is for your praise. On your left, same do, your do to do, your fa to fa, your so to so. Just the simple way of playing it. With the, let me reduce the tempo of this beat, so that it will be simple. So the simple way of doing it, just use this pattern for your fa, for your so. You see the movement? Just master it. Which is your do, so, do, so, do. No, your mi, so, do, mi, do. Sorry about that. So, do, mi, do. Mi, so, do, mi, do. You are the man. See the movement. For your fa, it's your fa, la, do, fa, do, la, do, fa, do. Then for your sol, it's your re, sol, ti, sol, re, sol, ti, re, ti. You see? See the movement? So it's very simple. If you want to learn it, you master it. Let me play with the beat, then we call it a tutorial. Thank you guys. Hope you learned a lot from this very tutorial. If you want to master all this, replay this tutorial over and over, because I did well to break it down to the beginners so that beginners will understand it very well. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow this very channel. Thank you guys.